giving the people what they want. Okay, so I already did one side. My hair is currently like decently wet right now. It doesn't need to be wet, but I will say it does make it easier to do the twists. This is easier than Dutch braiding, I will say. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it slightly going to the back of my head just because we're twisting away from my hair. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take beginning, let me see, like right there, probably like this much. You're gonna split it in two. Don't need two, don't need three. You're gonna twist away. Okay, twisting away from my face. I'm gonna take a section, all right, just a little one, and then I'm gonna twist away again. Then you should have two strands. And I'm gonna take another little section. Kind of wanna see, I don't know if this is clear or not, and then I'm gonna twist away again. It's really easy, you just kind of keep doing that, and then you'll start to see little twists forming. And then you just keep adding hair until you get all the way to the back of the head. So, whoop, I'm gonna do that real quick. And then I'll show you how to do the like braid twist thing. Okay, once you get to this point, right, you want to be twisting this really tight because if you start to let go, the whole thing's just going to fall apart. It's like super fragile, so it's super annoying. Anyway, put one of these in your mouth because it's easier. Oh, I forgot to say, twist this strand the opposite way. So I've been twisting away from my head. I'm going to twist this towards my face now, okay? Cool.